Have you ever sat in silence and felt your heart ache for something beyond this world? For a love that's unconditional, for a mercy that never runs out, and for someone who listens even when you can't speak? This video is not just a list. It's a reminder of the love, mercy, and closeness of Allah. These 10 facts about Allah aren't just words, they hold the power to move your soul, soften your heart, and bring tears to your eyes. So listen carefully, because what you're about to hear is nothing short of divine love and wisdom. 1. When Allah loves you, tells the angels to love you too. Just imagine being loved not just by your Creator but by the beings of the heavens. When Allah loves someone, He commands the angels to spread that love across the skies and earth. Your name is mentioned in the highest heavens, not because you're perfect, but because you're loved by the most merciful. 2. When you talk to people about Allah, He talks to the angels about you. Every time you spread His name, every time you remind someone of Allah, He boasts about you to the angels. You become special in His eyes simply by remembering Him and encouraging others to do the same. 3. When you think of Allah, He thinks of you. Even if it's just a silent thought, a moment of reflection, or a whisper of His name in your heart, He acknowledges it. Your remembrance of Him doesn't go unnoticed. It's reciprocated with divine attention and love. 4. Allah makes your life difficult so you can rise in the ranks of Jannah. Your trials are not punishments. They are signs that Allah wants you closer to Him. Through pain, patience, and perseverance, He's polishing your soul, preparing you for a reward that's beyond imagination. 5. Allah is closer to you than you are to yourself. He knows your thoughts before you speak them. He knows the hidden tears, the silent prayers, and the heaviness in your chest. You might feel alone, but He's never even a heartbeat away. 6. Allah patiently waits for your forgiveness to forgive you every time. Unlike people who give up on you after one mistake, Allah waits again and again just for you to turn back. His forgiveness is endless. His mercy outweighs your sins, no matter how big they are. 7. Guidance is a gift that Allah only blesses to His loved ones. Being on the right path isn't a coincidence. It's a sign that Allah wants you close to Him. It's His special favor, and if you have it, protect it, cherish it, and never take it for granted. 8. Allah never stops His blessings on us. Even when we forget Him, He continues to bless us with life, breath, health, food, and safety. His mercy flows even when we are ungrateful. That is how generous He is. 9. Allah never leaves you in your hardships. He is with you in every moment of pain. Even when the world turns its back on you, Allah is there comforting you, testing you, rewarding every tear you shed in silence. 10. Allah always keeps you in His protection from unseen harm, from the whispers of shaitan, from disasters you never even knew were coming. He shields you every day. His protection surrounds you like an invisible armor, whether you realize it or not. These aren't just facts. They're pieces of a divine love story between you and your Creator. They show us how deeply Allah cares, how constantly He watches over us, and how endlessly He forgives. If even one of these touched your heart, let it be a reason to return to Him today. Because no matter how far you've gone, He's always just one sincere prayer away. Don't forget to share this message because someone out there might need to hear that Allah hasn't forgotten them either.